A lot of people feel that in order to promote your business online, you have to break the bank, you have to have a lot of cash on hand in order to promote your business online. But I'll be telling you that there are ways in which we can promote our business online without having to break the bank. A lot of people think that I'm just bluffing, and a lot of people think that this video is a trick or a clickbait. No, with after my explanation today in this video, you are going to know that this is not a clickbait. So kindly stay tuned to the end of the video so that you are going to learn a lot from the video. And if along the line you see that you are enjoying this video, kindly click on the like button so that the YouTube algorithm can share this video to a lot of persons out there. My name is Remain Sylvester Isunyo, and in this channel I teach us money making tips, and I also will be adding the WordPress website design tips and tricks, because in order to make money online, or in order to do business online, and even in order to have your own concrete business or your physical business offline, you have to have a website. And so I'll be showing us how we can build that website without having to contract anybody, or even though you have to contract everybody, you already have an idea in your head how a website should look like. You already have the right idea of the right templates to use in order to create your WordPress website, and this is something you are going to be able to enjoy in my channel. So if you know you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly do that, and also click on the notification button so you get notified anytime I release a new video. So how is this process going to flow? A lot of persons are skeptical about this process. A lot of persons are telling me, okay, fine, can this process actually work? People I've talked to offline, people I've talked to, or friends in which I've talked to, I told them these things on a daily basis, but a lot of persons are still skeptical. But some persons have tried it and it actually worked for them, and they come back to me and start telling me, oh, I actually doubted you before, but now I am very glad that these things works for me. So the first thing I'm going to tell you is how to leverage social media platform in order to promote your business, because the buzz, the noise is now online. The noise is on social media. A lot of noise are on social media right now. So, and anywhere you find noise, there's always a market in that noise. A lot of people are there. A lot of people are looking out for what they can buy. And don't forget that presently now a lot of businesses do their transaction online. A lot of people are doing the transaction online. So, and most of these transactions go through social media, because that's where you find a lot of persons, because the social media is just like our normal day-to-day life offline. So a lot of people don't go out to physical stores right now to buy something. That is why you can see that promoting your business through social media will actually work well for you. So first of all, what is the name of this social media in which you are going to promote your business? A lot of persons will ask me that question, and the name of this social media in which you are promoting your business is TikTok. Yes, TikTok. TikTok is a growing environment, a growing social media platform that you can easily get traffic with TikTok to your business. Yes. Why do you say, oh, okay, why are you telling me that I can actually get to make, or I can actually get to promote my business with TikTok free of charge? Yes, with the rising of TikTok, a lot of people are rising on TikTok. Even with just few videos, you can actually get a lot of shares and a lot of views, and a lot of people will get to know about your particular brand, and that is how easy it is. So how do you go about it? First of all, you are going to know the niche you are going to. So when you know this niche you are going to, you're not just going to dive into TikTok and start promoting yourself or start making videos around your product and putting on TikTok. You are supposed to know the do's and the don'ts. You're supposed to know how these things are being done. I cannot just go on a space whereby I'm a newbie into and start doing things and start promoting myself without even knowing the right way to do this. I have to learn the tricks, and know how I can boycott a lot of things in this particular platform. So the first thing we need to do is we are going to search TikTok for our niche. Yes, there are a lot of people already into our niche, because there's nothing new under the sun right now. So you're not going to reinvent the wheel. You are going to just do what has always been done online. So first thing I'm going to tell you is you are going to go to TikTok. You are going to search for people in your niche, studying people in your niche, study them very well and see what they are doing. Because a lot of people, that where they make the mistake, they just go online there, start doing their stuff. Study these people, look at what they are doing. You don't have to do something very different. At least just reinvent the wheel a little, do a little bit of trick along the line, and people will see, oh, this person actually stand out in his own ways, this person is unique in his own way of doing his videos, like that. So when you are promoting your video, doing your videos, you can just tell them that in your bio you have your link, your bio to your product, that they can actually click on that link, that you are giving them a discount or something. And a lot of people are going to use that platform. But note something: after doing this search, you are going to now go onto online, go and use the Google Planner. Yes, that's what they call Google Planner. And this Google Planner helps you in order to plan a search. On that Google Planner, you have the search feature whereby you can actually search topics in your niche, look at 20 topics in your niche, and start posting at content with that topic keywords that you have researched on through Google Planner. So this video is not centered on how to use Google Planner, so I'm just going to teach you that in a different video entirely. So if you know you will need an intense training about this, you can leave a comment in the comment section below, and also click on the like button so that I will know that a lot of people like this video, so I can continue the series and create more videos like this. So when you've done that, when you've actually created your videos on TikTok, you've made these videos live on TikTok, and a lot of people are watching this video now, in each of and every of your video, tell these people, please click on the like button, and not click on the like button. Tell them that they should click on your link in your bio. So when they click on that link in your bio, you can actually move these people to a email list. Or what you can actually do, you can actually, when they click that link, it takes them to your WhatsApp, like they message you on WhatsApp, like that they've saved your contact on WhatsApp. Then from WhatsApp, you can continue now, start doing direct marketing to them on WhatsApp. On WhatsApp, you can actually just put your or start posting your product on your status. They are seeing it. So the ones that are not buying yet, with that continuous posting on your status, you see how these people will start buying, and it's going to be very, very, very nice. So that is one way you can actually promote your business. So second way in which you can use TikTok in order to promote your business is collaboration. Look for people that are influencers on TikTok. These are not people that have gotten too much subscribers, because a lot of people that have a lot of followership tends to be proud, and they tend to be pompous. So look for people that are almost in your niche. Do like a collab, or tell them, okay, fine, I want to send you in case you are into painting, or in case you are into clothing, you can just tell somebody like in TikTok, okay, fine, oh babe, I would like to send you an outfit. Can you actually put all these outfits in one of your videos, and actually tell your audience that this outfit is got it for a particular person? So you see that a lot of persons, a lot of, like, the ones that are into dancing, influencers that are into dancing in TikTok, that do different dance moves and the lyrics, give them your clothes on TikTok and say, okay, fine, I'm sending you a piece of my clothes, like two of my designs. Can you just try this outfit? And if it's nice on you, you can actually tell your subscribers or your followers that this is who you got this product with from, in case they want to get. And a lot of them will be very, very happy. You say, yeah, I love it. Then when they put on this clothes and they really love it, and these your clothes are quality and they are nice, they tell that, so their followers that, okay, fine, this is where I got this clothes from, in case you want to get the clothes from this person. So you can see now, with that particular video that particular person is going to post, a lot of people are going to view that video, and from there they are going to come to you. Because these people are going to come to you and start trying to buy from you. Imagine you just get, like, even though it's 10 stays and you are selling quality products, these 10 people will come back again, talk to your friends, and that is how your business will start going. So you can see the wonders of TikTok. So with that, you have leveraged TikTok in order, you have leveraged social media in order to sell your product. So I'll be stopping here today, and if you have any question, you can put that question in the comment section below. If you have any question about how to promote your business, you can put that through social media in a free of charge, because there are a lot of tricks up my sleeves I can actually tell you, I can actually explain to you. But drop a comment in the comment section below, and let me know what you want me to make a video on, and I'm going to make a video on that and explain all these questions you guys have in the comment section below.